We are going to study about soils, part 2, chapter number 7. Now, different types of soil in India. Council of Agriculture Research divides the soil found in the country into 8 major groups, which are: number 1, alluvial soil; number 2, rigger or flake soil; number 3, red soil; number 4, laterite soils; number 5, forest soil or mountain soils; number 6, arid and desert soils; number 7, saline and alkaline soils; number 8, organic soil. Now, number 1, alluvial soil. It is by far the largest and the most important soil group of India, contributing the largest share of the country's agricultural production. They are formed by the depositional work of rivers in the river valleys, floodplains, and deltas. These soils cover 7.7 lakh kilometers square, or about 24% of the country's land surface. They are by far the most fertile soil. They are rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime, and organic matter. They are deficient in nitrogen and humus content. The region of these soils are heavily populated and constitute the wheat and the rice bowls of India. These soils are suitable for the cultivation of almost all kinds of cereals, pulses, oilseeds, sugarcane, and vegetables. Kan ngai thlak tong khan Indian Council of Agriculture Research kan ti khan India ram soil chi sang hi paria ta an chena pakhatna chuanin alluvial soil an tia. Alluvial soil hi India ramina soil kan nei zinga poimo perani a India ram zawzonga tanga chuta 24% za somni pali hi alluvial soil kan ti hianin a cover ani. Chuanin India ram lo nei e zong ram kan ti namhuna phe chuanin he alluvial soil bi ka hi poimo ema ama hianin le thatna fertile soil kan ti ang chi kha humus kan ti kha tam ema chuan potash, phosphoric acid, lime le organic matter te atam ema nitrogen le humus content kha tlem thungani. Chuan India rama chuanin mihring cheng tamna hmun alluvial soil amna hi mihring cheng tamna hmun ni a wheat le rice te an thar chuak nem bawk ani. Chuan alluvial soil kan tia hianin cereals cho atana kan rin chi thlai chi hrang pulses kan ti te oilseeds, sugarcane, cereals cho atana kan rin ang thlai chi hrang rice, wheat kan ti ang te, pulses, oilseeds, sugarcane le vegetables te an thar tlang pui thin ani. Now, number 2, rigger or black soil. They are black in color and are suitable for the cultivation of cotton. They are also called cotton soil. They cover nearly 5.18 lakh square kilometer area of the country. They are usually deficient in nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and organic matter. They are rich in potash, lime, aluminium, calcium, and magnesium. They have large capacity to hold moisture, so ideally suited to dry farming. Cotton, cereals, oilseeds, vegetables, and citrus fruits are grown successfully. Rigger or black soil kan te hi a color hi black ani a cotton chin nan a thadu ema a hminga cotton soil ti vo ani boka. India ram square kilometer 5.18 vel hi a cover boka. Chuan rigger or black soil kan tia hianin nitrogen, phosphoric acid le organic matter te atlema, potash, lime, aluminium, calcium le magnesium te tam thungani. Ama hianin moisture content kha atam awangin dry farming practice na atang khanin tangkai ema cotton chin na atan te, cereals, crop, oilseed, vegetable le citrus kan ti ang chi te kha he soil rigor black soil kan te hanan thar chen ne. Now red soil. The soils surround the black soil on their south, east and north. They are the most extensive of all the soil groups found in India. These soils cover nearly 90,800 square kilometers of area. There is absence of lime, kankar and free carbonates. They are deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid and lime. They are airy and need irrigation support for cultivation. They are suitable for the cultivation of rice, cotton, pulses, tobacco, jowar, potato and fruits. Okay. Red soil. Kanti hi India ram south east le north ate motor oma. India rama hianin square kilometer red soil kanti hian square kilometer 90,800 cover boka. Chuan red soil kanti a hianin lime kankar kanti ang che kha motor tlem em ani. Chuan nitrogen, humus, phosphoric le lime te an tlem boka. Thlai chin atan mandon chuan tuine na tran kop na sat kha angai em ani ama kha a eri wang khanin moisture content kha ama khan tlem em ani. Chuan rice chin atan te cotton, pulses, tobacco, jowar, potato le fruits chin atan khan red soil hian mang ve thin ani. Now laterite soil. They cover an area of 1.26 lakhs square kilometer. The soils are generally poor in nitrogen, potassium and organic matter. They are low fertility but they readily respond to manuring and are suitable for a variety of crops. Okay. Laterite soil kanti ahi India ram chuan India ram square kilometer 1.26 laterite soil kanti hana covera nitrogen, potassium le organic matter te laterite soil hanan tlem em ani. Chuanin ama hi alei hi achiat em awangin lei thane na than kop chuan thlai chi hrang hrang chin na atang khan an hmang ve thin bawk ani. Now mountain soil or forest soil. They are formed by the deposition of organic matter derived from the forest growth. They cover nearly 2.85 square kilometer in the hilly tracts of the country. There is abundance of humus. They are deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. They need fertilizer for good yields. They are suitable for plantation of tea, coffee, spices and tropical fruits and temperate fruits. Okay. Mountain soil, forest soil kan te hi atlang puin ramgo athing thlatroi te le ransa thitroi atang te in siam ani a 2.85 lakh square kilometer India ram tlang ram hun kha he mountain soil kan ti hana covera. Chuan mountain soil a hianin potash, phosphorus le lime ten tlem em a thlai ching kan chin te thar thatur chuan lei tha pe kha ama mo em ani lei tha tel lo kha chuan mountain soil a ringot kha chuan thlai kha athar that thei lo ni. Thing pui phun na atan te coffee phun na atan te spices, tropical fruits kan yang che te temperate fruits chin na atang khanin an hmang tangkai em bok. Now desert soils. They are formed under arid and semi-arid conditions in the northwestern parts of the country. They cover nearly 1.42 lakh square kilometer area. They have high soluble salt content. They have a very low humus content. They are quite rich in phosphorate but poor in nitrogen. They have low moisture content. With the availability of irrigation, cereals and cotton is grown, but generally they support coarse crops like millets, jowar and basra. Areas covered by desert soil support small population. Okay. desert soil kan ti hi semi arid le arid condition hnuaiah northwestern parts of India an insiam tlangpuya 1.42 lakh square kilometer desert soil kan ti hana kavara India ram azau zong atanga chhuta 1.42 lakh square kilometer kha cover ani chuanin ama hian desert soil kan ti hianin soil content kha asang em a humus atlema chuan phosphate atama nitrogen atlem em thungani moisture content kha atlem ma chumi di wang chuanin irrigation telo chuanin thlai te kha athar te lawa irrigation facilities that ka chuanin cereals te cotton te katiang kha an ching ve thin ni hemi soil a hian chuan mihring cheng an tlem em this is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the wearing away of the topsoil covered by natural agencies such as water and wind, and also as a result of human and animal interference. Soil erosion kan ti chuanin natural agencies water tui luang ruah sun sa wanga tui luang awang te le wind thlit le awanga le chunglang kalral na akha soil erosion kan ti chu ni a ramgo kan ti chere wa wang te lo nei dan methods dik lo wang te le ran kan du na mun kan machine ina kan tlatir shina wang te hanin le chunglang kalral na hi athleng thin bok ani. Now agents of soil erosion. Usually most active agents of soil erosion are water and wind. Water erosion is of three types, that is seed erosion, rill erosion and gully erosion. Soil erosion thlen tu natural agencies pani te chu water erosion le wind erosion ten ni kan ti to kha water erosion hi pathuma an then chong le a seed erosion ti ta a hi ruah sur na sal tu ka wanga le chunglang kalral na kan ti a kha ani a chuan rill erosion hi chu soil erosion thleng thin kan control wat lo awangin entirnan ruah sur tam changin lui te kha tui khanin ala then hek thina kha rill erosion an ti chu ni gully erosion ve thung he chu ruah sur na sat khanin kor te kha tui khanin a hor na sa thei em thina kor thuk tak te siam thina chu chuanin bedland wasteland rampan tak lo kha asiam se em thin ni kha gully erosion an ti chu ni. Now wind erosion. Wind erosion is generally confined to arid and semi-arid areas with high range of temperature where, due to the removal of vegetation cover, the topsoil becomes extremely loose as to be carried away in large quantities. Wind erosion ve thung he chu abik takin arid le semi-arid region a common a thaler mun nge temperature sana thingle mau nim kan ti cholo na muna khanin thli kha athok na zwal thina le chunglang a kha I alan sem em thin hi kha wind erosion an ti chuni. Now causes of soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused not due to any one single cause but a multiplicity of causes. Deforestation, overgrazing and shifting cultivation. Cultivation of dry crops and faulty methods of cultivation are responsible for erosion in large areas. Soil erosion le chunglang kalralna umtir tu te chu thil pakhat chu ni lo thil chi rang ani a ramgo ti chireu wang te tin overgrazing ran atlat na tur huanga tlattir law kan du na mun kan tlattir shin wang te shifting cultivation lo nei na mun kan son chen thina wang te mo ye tin kan lo nei dan methods dik lo wang tin mun chen khata khanin soil erosion kha thleng chen ni. Deforestation leads to flooding and soil erosion. The cause of Punjab and Haryana and the ravines of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and UP have resulted due to reckless cutting of forests in these areas. Deforestation ramgo ti chireu neyanin soil erosion thlenba ka khanin tuilian na sa takha thlen china coast Punjab kantia ate Haryana ate Madhya Pradesh ate Rajasthan ne UP ate yanin ramgo kanti chirewa ramgo thingle maute kan swat china wangin soil erosion kha thleng chine. Erosion due to overgrazing by sheep and goat is very common over the hilly areas of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and the low rainfall areas of Maharashtra. Shifting cultivation is responsible for soil erosion in many tropical forest areas in the country. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan le Ruatuitlak lemna Maharashtra monate overgrazing abik takin peram kel kan tiang chi te andu na muna kan du na mun muna kan tlak je china wang khanin erosion soil erosion kan ti kha thling china tin Indiaram tropical forest area hianin shifting cultivation lo nei na mun son china wang khanin kum tin lo nei na mun an son china wang khanin soil erosion kha thling wok china ni. Now effects of soil erosion. Number 1, depletion of soil. Soils are depleted due to erosion. For example, potato cultivation in Meghalaya and the Nilgiri Hills, shifting cultivation done by tribals in different parts of the country have resulted in the depletion of soils. Soil erosion ina ngong te pakhanna chuanin lei ati chiani erosion of Angkhan le chechina entirna na Meghalaya le Nilgiri Hills potato chin amon ang chi te tin India ramon shanga tribal ho chen namona shifting cultivation and practice of Angkhanin ran alo chia ram alo chia le kha alo kal ral na sem em chene. Loss of cultivated area. Over 80,000 hectares of cultivated land is lost due to soil erosion every year. Low nei na mun. India rama low nei na mun. 80,000 ayatam mo. 80,000 hectares ayatam ka. Kum tin khan soil erosion awang khanin. Kan chan chin bokani. Ramman tlak lawa khan kan chwa chin tena ni chu. Floods. The carrying capacity of rivers is reduced when eroded materials are carried down with them. It causes frequent floods. For example, the swellowing of the Brahmaputra causes flood every year. Tuilian ka atlen chin bokani. Nge tui luan mun tur tha kan siam chin lo wang khanin tuilian na satakha India rama khan thlenchin intirnan example Brahmaputra ate pokarin kumtin tuilian kha antuar chinane. Silting of tanks and reservoirs. Another serious consequences of soil erosion is silting of tanks and reservoirs. Every year, a large number of tanks and reservoirs get silted due to erosion. Tanks le reservoir ka nol trouble lo kan ti kan soil erosion awang kanin enge no chen ta soil erosion kanin kami tanks le reservoir kanin harsat na tam takha atlan chen ni. Lowering of soil moisture. Loss of soil moisture takes place when drainage system is disturbed due to eroded soil. Eroded soil na drainage system ati boy khanin soil moisture ka soila at non na aka atanyam nasithei embok trene. Now conservation of soil. Soil conservation includes all such measures which help in protecting the soil from erosion, exhaustion and degradation. Small measures to check soil erosion are: number 1, contour terracing and banding. Number 2, construction of bunds across gullies. Number 3, leveling of uneven land. Number 4, raising grass and other vegetation on land. Number 5, scientific crop rotation. Number 6, increased use of organic manures. Number 7, replacing flood irrigation by sprinklers and drip irrigation. Okay. Soil erosion thleng tur ven na atan chuanin tlang ram hmuna abik takin terrace kan tiang chi te ka tiang ka kan siam tur ani a leikal ral tur ven na atan khanin tin chumi ba ka chuanin crop rotation kan tiang chi te thlai chin thlak thleng kan tiang chi angai reng ching lawa nge thlai chin kwal ang chi kha chi hrang hrang chin kwal ang chi te kha kan ti tur ani a tin chumi ba ka chuanin organic manures kha atam theng ber kha lei che tur ven na atang khan kan mang thin tur ani tin irrigation method chaka kan uluk tur ani a tui kan pe ni po khainin enge aphu chi enemo ani lo pon drip a far ke ke tur ang chi khanin thlai te ka tui kha kan pe thin tur ani. That's all for today.